How to get TinyTask on mobile. Here's how it works. If you open up the App Store and just straight up search for TinyTask, you might notice that nothing pops up. That is because TinyTask is strictly for Windows PC, but what you can do instead is to scroll down a little bit until you see Auto Clicker. Auto Click app right here. If we click on Get, then this is going to do essentially the same thing as TinyTask. You will need to set it up. So right here, I'm currently downloading it. If I click on Open, it's going to begin loading, and you can just close this ad, which we got, and then consent. And Auto Clicker for apps right here, I'm going to click on Not Now. Next, done. You will need to choose your language. So after you have chosen your language, we will do this later, and then we want to focus on Auto Click. And here it might ask for subscription, but you will just set it up from within the apps, and that's what you can do. Hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.